here is how we can download photos from Onedrive to the Android device. Let me talk about it. Let's get started. And if this is your first time in here on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So whenever you get inside the Onedrive app, you need to be signed in with your account, of course. But at the top, you have the two places or two separated areas of the app, which is the files as well as the photos. And when you switch to the photos, of course, you'll see those which are currently uploaded to this platform, to your OneDrive storage. So you're going to tap on the image, for example, which you like, and there is going to be the download arrow, the download icon somewhere on the screen. So when you click on it like this, you're going to see that it's going to pull up the local file. So you can browse the available folders and you're going to save it wherever you want, right? So you can go to your documents, downloads, or whatever you wanted this to be saved, and you can actually store it in there. Right, so that is of course one of the options. You can as well click on a share on the images and you can choose some different actions. So if you click on more, you will have the ability to see all of the apps which can kind of use it. So you can upload it to the Google Photos, for example, or save it somewhere else like Google Drive or even other places, depends on your apps and your device. So that is how you can download photos. Obviously, that was just one image, but you can as well just hold it down on the individual images in there and perform the very same thing. So you will have the ability to download even multiple of them at the same time. So that is how it is going to work. I really hope that I was able to guide you through it and show you how you can achieve this. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.